Nature versus nurture debate, unraveling the dynamics of influence. Introduction. The nature versus nurture debate has long been a focal point in psychology, philosophy, and various scientific disciplines. This enduring discourse seeks to understand the relative contributions of genetic factors, nature, and environmental influences, nurture, in shaping human traits, behaviors, and development. This exploration delves into the complexities of the nature versus nurture debate, examining the historical context, key arguments, and contemporary perspectives that continue to shape our understanding of human nature. 1. Defining nature and nurture. Nature refers to the inherent biological and genetic factors that contribute to an individual's traits, behaviors, and capabilities. It encompasses aspects such as genetic predispositions, hereditary influences, and innate characteristics. Nurture encompasses the environmental, social, and experiential factors that shape an individual. This includes upbringing, cultural influences, education, and life experiences. 2. Historical roots. The nature versus nurture debate has ancient roots, with philosophers like Plato and Aristotle pondering the roles of heredity and environment in human development. The 19th century debate intensified with the advent of Darwin's theory of evolution, fueling discussions on the hereditary basis of traits. 3. Behavioral genetics. Nature emphasis. Behavioral genetics research emphasizes the role of genetic factors in explaining individual differences in traits, intelligence, and personality. Twin and adoption studies. Studies involving twins and adopted individuals aim to disentangle genetic and environmental influences on various traits. 4. Environmental determinism. Nurture emphasis. Environmental determinism argues that individuals are predominantly shaped by external influences. It contends that experiences, upbringing, and cultural factors have a paramount role in determining behavior. Social learning theory. The social learning theory, associated with psychologists like Albert Bandura, highlights the significance of observational learning and environmental reinforcement in shaping behavior. 5. Interactionist perspective. Both nature and nurture. The interactionist perspective posits that both genetic and environmental factors interact dynamically to influence human development. This perspective acknowledges the complex interplay between genes and experiences. Epigenetics. Epigenetic research explores how environmental factors can influence gene expression without altering the DNA sequence, offering insights into the interactive nature of genes and environment. 6. Critical periods and sensitive periods. Critical periods. Some argue that certain aspects of development have critical periods during which environmental influences are particularly impactful. For example, language acquisition may be most receptive during early childhood. Sensitive periods. Sensitive periods are more flexible timeframes during which environmental experiences can have a significant impact on development. 7. Genetic and environmental contributions. Heritability. Heritability estimates quantify the proportion of individual differences in a trait within a population that can be attributed to genetic variation. Shared and non-shared environment. The shared environment includes factors common to individuals in the same family, while non-shared environment accounts for unique experiences that contribute to differences among family members. 8. Modern synthesis. The modern synthesis of the nature versus nurture debate acknowledges the intertwined roles of genes and environment in shaping human characteristics. Advances in neuroscience, molecular biology, and epigenetics contribute to a more nuanced understanding of the interplay between nature and nurture. Conclusion. The nature versus nurture debate remains a dynamic discourse, reflecting the complexities of human development and behavior. Contemporary perspectives emphasize the interactive nature of genetic and environmental influences, recognizing that both nature and nurture contribute to the rich tapestry of human characteristics. As research evolves, the debate continues to shape discussions in fields ranging from psychology to education, fostering a deeper appreciation of the multifaceted factors that shape the human experience.